Hey friends, are you ready to fly into the world of birds? Let's flap our wings and go! Look around, can you hear that tweet tweet? That's a bird talking. Birds are amazing animals with feathers, wings and beaks. And guess what? Most of them can fly. Some birds, like the eagle, soar high up in the sky with super strong wings. Can you flap your wings like an eagle? Flap, flap, flap. But wait, not all birds can fly. That's right, birds like the penguin and the ostrich can't fly at all. Penguins waddle around and swim like little torpedoes in the ocean. Can you waddle like a penguin? Waddle, waddle, waddle. Birds lay eggs, and many build nests in trees, bushes, or even in the sand. Inside those eggs are baby birds just waiting to hatch. Cheep, cheep. Oh, look at those baby birds, so tiny and fluffy. They chirp to tell their parents they're hungry. What sound do baby birds make? Let's try it. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Birds come in so many colors and shapes. Some are bright like rainbows, and some are super camouflaged to blend in with nature. Look, that's a hummingbird. It's so tiny it can fit in your hand, and it can flap its wings really, really fast, about 50 times a second. Zoom, zoom. And here's an owl. It can turn its head almost all the way around. Woo knew? Let's all turn our heads like owls. Woo! Birds love to sing. Each bird has its own special song to talk to other birds. Say, "This is my home," or "Find a friend." Did you hear those? That's the robin, and that's the crow, caw. Which bird sound do you like best? You can learn more about birds by watching them outside, reading books, or even drawing your own bird. What color would your bird be? Wow, that's a beautiful bird. Maybe it's a new kind of bird only you can name. What would you call it? Birds are everywhere, in cities, forests, gardens, and even by the sea. So next time you go outside, look up and listen. You might just spot a feathered friend. Thanks for flying with us today, bird explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your eyes and ears open for birds. Bye! Tweet you later.